Hey guys, in this video we discuss what is GCP means Google Cloud Platform. Like this video, subscribe my channel, let's get started. GCP is a public cloud vendor like competitions Amazon Web Service, AWS and Microsoft Azure. With GCP and other cloud vendors, customers are able to access computer resource housed in Google's data centers around the world for free or on a pay per user. GCP offers a suite of computing service to do everything from GCP cost management to data management to delivering web and video over web to AI and machine learning tools. AI means artificial intelligence. Google Cloud vs Google Cloud Platform. Google Cloud include a combination of services available over the internet that can help organization go digital. Google Cloud Platform, which provides public cloud infrastructure for hosting web-based application and is the focus of this blog post, is a part of Google Cloud. Some other services that are a part of Google Cloud include: number 1, Google Workspace, formerly known as G Suites, and Google Apps. These products provides identity management for organization, Gmail and collaboration tools. Number 2, enterprise versions of Android and Chrome OS. These phones and laptop operating system are ways for user to connect to web-based application programming interface, APIs for machine learning and enterprise mapping service. These provide software to software communication. While Google GCP Cloud's infrastructure is a backbone of applications like Google Workplace, these applications aren't what we talking about when we talk about GCP. For this, we focusing on Google Cloud Platform. The history of Google Cloud Platform. Backing up a bit, let's start with the history of GCP. GCP first came online in 2008 with the launch of product called App Engine. In April 2008, Google announced a preview release of App Engine, a developer tool that allowed customers to run their web application on Google infrastructure. For perspective, this was 2 years after Amazon had launched its cloud computing service, starting with the release of S3 Cloud storage and EC2. According to Google, the goal of App Engine was to make it easy to get started with a new web app and then make it easy to scale when that app reaches the point where it's receiving significant traffic and has millions of users. To source the feedback is needed to make improvements to this preview release. App Engine was made available to 10,000 developers. These early adopter developers cloud run apps with 500 MB of storage, 200 million megabytes of CPU per day and 10 GB of bandwidth per day. By late 2011, Google pulled App Engine out of preview mode and made it an official, fully supported Google product. In the decades since, Google has built and acquired more services and products to enhance the user experience of its cloud platform. Today, Google Cloud Platform is one of the top public cloud vendors in the world. Google Cloud customers include Nintendo, eBay, UPS, the Home Depot, ETSY, PayPal, 20th Century Fox, and Twitter. Google Cloud Platform infrastructure, regions, and zones. Google's global infrastructure currently has 24 locations around the world where Google Cloud Platform resources are offered. Location start within a region of within a region are available zones. These zones are isolated from a single point of failure. Some resources such as the HTTP global load balancer are global and can receive requests from any of the Google Edge location and regions. Other resources like storage can be regional. The storage is distributed across multiple zones within a region of redundancy. And finally, zonal resources including compute instance are only available in one specific zone within one specific region. When deploying application of GCP, you must select the location depending on the performance, reliability, scalability, and security needs of your organization. What are Google Platform services? So, each GCP region offers a category of services. Some services are limited to specific regions. Major services of Google Cloud Platform include computing and hosting, storage and database, networking, big data, machine learning. You can view a full list of GCP products here. You see in my screen. GCP competition. Google has services comparable or to AWS and Azure. AWS is in the clear lead with Microsoft gaining ground. The Google platform is growing. More on this in just a second. Check out our other Google platform services. What is AWS? What is Azure? Google Cloud Platform pros and cons. GCP strengths. Google is my cloud of choice. In my experience, it feels like using LEGO to build architecture. Each service has its own use case. One was designed to work with the next service and their well-defined rules of engagement. When it's come to strengths, Google Cloud Platform documentation is second to none. Reading the docs and is a career-changing art. By the way, a crowd favorite is how Google incorporates the action into GCP documents. They divided into an overview section followed by a hands-on section walking the reader through an implementation of feature or service. Another strength of GCP is the global backbone network that uses advanced software defined networking and edge caching service to deliver fast, consistent, and scalable performance. Yes, the premium tier global network cost a little more, but in my opinion, designing architecture using a virtual private cloud VPC that automatically routes traffic on a global network is worth it.